Children, now let's identify. Children, I am using live specimen for identification of part of a plant leaf. Okay, children. Here, children, this one is called as what? This one is called as petiole. Petiole, right? Petiole. Here, children, this is the petiole of this plant leaf. Petiole. Patra වෘන්තය. කොළේ නැට්ට කියලා කියන්නේ. එහෙම කියන්නේ නෑනේ අපිනේ. Right? So this is called as petiole of this plant leaf. Petiole. Okay? Right. So thereafter, children, this one. What is this area? And this area is called as leaf base of this plant leaf. Right? Leaf base. Leaf base means the place where this petiole connected with the plant leaf blade. Okay? Right. So children, here leaf base is the place where this petiole connected with the leaf or the leaf blade. Okay? Likewise. Okay, so then children, this area is called as leaf base. Okay? Leaf base. Children, what is these things? Right? Here, children, if you carefully observe, you can see, right? What are these things?
Veins.
Right? Yes, these are called as veins. Veins. Narati. Narati. Veins. Right? Okay. So you can see, right? Bit of lengthy one at the middle. What is this one? Here this is called as mid vein. Mid vein or mid rib. Mid rib or mid vein. Madhyanaratiya. Madanaratiya. Mid vein or mid rib. Okay. Right. Mid vein. Or mid rib. Mid rib. Okay. Right. So thereafter, children, you can see branches like structures on these veins. Children, if you very carefully observe, right, you can see in my plant also there are branches. These way here these veins divided furthermore into branches, small branches. Okay, right? Veins are coming like this and then divided it into branches. Okay, so these are called as veinlets. Veinlets. Veinlets formed by the veins. Narati Shaka, right? Narati Shaka. Okay. So here, children, these are veins. These are veins, no problem. Furthermore, when these veins divided, these are called as veinlets. Narati Shaka. Veinlets. Okay. Right. What is this one? This one or this edge here. This end is called as leaf tip. Leaf tip. Leaf tip. Okay. Right. So children, this is leaf blade. I told you except this midrib and veins and veinlets, these areas are called as leaf blade. Leaf blade. Patra talaya, leaf blade. Leaf blade. Okay. What is this one, children? This edge, the surrounded edge of this plant leaf is called as leaf margin. leaf margin. Right, okay. So then quickly note down in your page number 10. ඉක්මනට ලියා ගමු බලන්න.
Done, teacher.